guys, I've just bought this 24 pack of 5 to 6 inches recessed lights. You can see the whole thing is pretty compact, 24 lights just in this box here. And inside we have these single boxes where we have 4 of them. And so you can see what we get. We get the light, of course, then we get an adapter for each of one. And we get 2 springs for every light, and they come nicely protected. I would say really good quality, definitely nothing to complain here. Maybe some information, I hope you can see that. But basically it's a 10 watts which creates the light of 110 watts of a normal light bulb. And of course in the package you get 24 of these lights, very modern ones. And we get 24 of these adapters for the normal light bulbs. And we get 48 of these springs. And to replace the old light is very easy. We just pull it down and then usually we get access to something which we can squeeze together, or there's a spring. Can be a little bit different, so I can't show you every case, but usually when you just pull down the old light from the ceiling a little bit, you will get access to the mount, and then you will see how this works. First, usually you remove the trim, and then you have access to the light bulb. You unscrew it, and then you can take one of these. Of course, highly recommended to turn off the light or even switch off the fuse before you're doing something like that. Then you can screw this back in, and then we prepare the light. We take one of these springs and push it in from the side, just here, and push it inside pretty hard. It's not too crazy, you don't need a tool. You can easily do it with your thumb. Just align it here and then push fully inside. To remove is a little bit difficult. I think you will have to use a screwdriver while pulling, but usually that's not needed. And then what you do is to connect this connector here with the one from the top. Just align it, push it here inside, and you have already the connection. The good thing, it's very lightweight, you don't have to be worried that it's not fully secured. And then we squeeze these clamps together and push them up. Usually we have such clamps inside of the can, and then we feed it inside, release it, and then it has already a little bit of hold. Do the same thing on the other side, and when it's up like that you have to just push it up till it has a firm hold. That's already it. And then we have the 2 lights. We have the full light and we have the night light, and we have the different color temperatures which we can set here. Super easy. You can even change it after installing. You just pull it a little bit down, maybe 2 or 3 inches down, and then you have access, so you can still change it after installing. And so when you turn it on after it has been off for a long time, it will always go into the full mode. Then you turn it off and turn it on again within, I think, 8 seconds or so. Then it will go into the night mode, and then you can turn it off and turn it on again, and it will go into normal full light mode. Sometimes it can happen when you switch too fast that they go out of sync, but that's absolutely no problem. You don't have to uninstall them. Just wait about 10 seconds or so and then turn them on again. So all of them will go into full light mode and will be synced. Absolutely no problem. And so I have already around 10 of them here installed in my house. I have done 4 of them, and the general contractor has done around 6 of them, and there was absolutely no problem so far. I really love these lights. There's one important thing to know regarding the night light. In the instructions there was something mentioned that we cannot dim the night light, and when it's on full brightness, even in the night mode, it's still pretty bright, almost a little bit too bright for my taste. But after installation I tried it to dim it in the night light, and it worked absolutely awesome, so you don't have to be worried. Definitely confirmation that you can also dim it in the night mode. And so you can buy them directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.